ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Krupali Bachani. Hello children, can you count how many fingers are this? Not fingers, it is a finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, it is only a one finger. And how many fingers are this? 3 fingers, 1, 2 and 3. And the spelling of fingers, I have add something over there, F-I-N-G-E-R means one finger, and when I add S to it, it becomes 3 fingers, right? Today children, we are going to see the chapter more than one, chapter 3 of grammar. So let's move further. We add S with the following words. Now here are some examples where we add only S at the end of the word. 1 car. How many cars are there now? 2 cars. So you are adding one more S over here. 1 girl. And then next, how many girls are there? 2 girls, right? Yes. 1 cup. And here, how many cups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 cups are there. Yes. This is 1 rat. And how many rats are there? 3 rats. Yes. So here, in all these examples, after words we are adding what we are adding at the end? S. Now let us go to the next examples. 1 brush. You can see here 1 brush, and here how many brushes are there? So what I added over there? ES. I have added ES at the end. 3 brushes. 1 bench. And then next, how many benches are there? B-E-N-C-H means 1 bench. But when I add ES, it becomes 4 benches, right? 1 bus. And here how many buses you can see, children? How many buses? Yes, 2 buses. So here also we are adding ES. Now this is my favorite fruit. Mango. How many mangoes are there? 1 mango. And here how many mangoes are there? 5 mangoes. So you understood? After this particular letters, after this particular words, we are adding ES. Now let us go to the further examples. Okay. Oh, so cute babies are over here, right? Yes. 1 baby. Can you see the spelling of baby? Yes. What we are adding? I-E-S. Right? Yes. So, before adding I-E-S, you can see the spelling of baby. 1 baby. B-A-B-Y. Yes. So, here the word is ending with Y. Right? But when you are going for more than 1 baby, see here the Y turns to I-E-S. Can you see over here? I-E-S. Here instead the place of Y, here 3 babies. So the Y will turn to I-E-S. Okay? Same way, 1 lorry. Right? Can you see the lorry? The truck, yes. 1 lorry, and here how many lorries are there? Yes, 2 lorries. So here also the same thing happened. The Y changed to I-E-S. Okay children, let us go for the further examples. Yes, now children, you can see that we add VES to the words ending with either FE or F. In the place of FE, what we are adding? VES, right? Can you see over here the spelling of knife? How many knives are there? One knife. And here you can see how many knives are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 knives. So you can see here word FE has changed to VES, right? The same way here one leaf. Here F has changed to VES. How many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 leaves. Now children, there are some irregular words also. There are some words, different words, but without adding anything, there are change in some letters. Okay children, let us go to there. Now, MAN, man, means one single man, one man. But when you are talking about more than one man, the spelling will change to, A will change to E. So you can see over here, MEN, man, right? Yes. FOOT, foot, means you are talking about a single foot. But when it changes to more than one, it will become fit, to fit, FEET, fit, right? TOOTH, tooth, single. But when we are talking about more than one, the spelling will change to TEETH, teeth, right? Now the last and final word children, CHILD, child means a single child. We are talking about one child. But when we are talking about more than one child, you all are my children, right? So child will change to CHILDREN, children. Okay children? So please go through this chapter and revise properly.